What's up guys? Welcome to our new channel, The Sibling Squad. I'm Alanna and this is my sister,
Ivanna. Hey guys, I am so excited to be starting this YouTube channel, The Sibling Squad, with my sister Alanna and my brother Liam. My brother is turning 5 this year. Some of the things he likes to do is play soccer, play video games and build Lego. Well, why the name Sibling Squad? That's because we are siblings and we love doing things together. But we are different in our own ways. So now let's talk about what I like. Some of the things I like to do is play video games, read books. One of the books I'm currently reading is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. It's the 5th book in the Harry Potter series and I love it. I also like to build Lego brickheads and listen to music. Okay, enough about me. What about you?
I'm as excited as you, Ivanna. So some stuff I like to do during my free time is to play games, read books such as Diary of the Wimpy Kid, listen to music too, and spend time with my siblings.
And most importantly, we love making and playing with slime. We have been making and playing with slime for a couple of years now and it has been amazing. So apart from the arts and crafts videos we will be doing in the near future, we are going to be starting with slime video.
That's right, Ivanna, it's gonna be awesome. Our first video is gonna be about the most glossy slime we have ever made, and we hope you enjoy it because it's my favorite slime.
Please subscribe and stay notified for our next video that is going to be coming out in very few days. I hope to see you soon.
Bye! And remember, just roll with it.